Hey guys, welcome to Wonders of AI. In my previous video I have told you that AI in space exploration. In this video I am going to talk about AI and robotics. AI in robotics is a very interesting topic, so do not skip the video. I have shared the link of playlist in the description box. Enjoy. Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics have captivated human imagination for centuries. The idea of creating intelligent machines that can perceive, learn, reason, and interact with their environment is no longer confined to science fiction. In recent decades, significant advancements in AI have brought us closer to turning those dreams into reality. The convergence of AI and robotics has given rise to a new era of intelligent machines that are transforming various aspects of our lives. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the world of AI and robotics, examining the progress made, the potential applications, and the impact on society. Foundations of AI and robotics. To understand the advancements in AI and robotics, it is essential to grasp the foundations of both fields. AI is a broad discipline that encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Machine learning, in particular, has played a pivotal role in enabling robots to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Robotics, on the other hand, focuses on the design, construction, and operation of robots. Over the years, robots have evolved from simple automata to sophisticated machines capable of complex tasks. The synergy between AI and robotics has accelerated the development of intelligent machines that can perceive their environment, make decisions, and interact with humans and other machines. AI-powered robots in manufacturing and industry. The manufacturing industry has been at the forefront of adopting AI and robotics. Industrial robots have revolutionized assembly lines, increasing productivity and efficiency. These robots can perform repetitive and physically demanding tasks with precision and consistency. With the advancements in machine vision, robots can now perceive and manipulate objects with dexterity. Collaborative robots, or cobots, have emerged as a new breed of robots that work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety in industrial settings. These robots can assist humans in various tasks, such as lifting heavy objects or assembling intricate components. Additionally, AI-powered robots are being employed in warehouses to automate inventory management and order fulfillment processes. Service robots for everyday tasks. AI and robotics are making inroads into our daily lives through the development of service robots. Domestic robots are designed to perform household tasks, such as cleaning, cooking, and companionship. These robots use AI algorithms to navigate through homes, recognize objects, and interact with humans. Healthcare robots are being developed to assist with patient care, monitor vital signs, and even perform surgeries with precision and accuracy. Elderly care robots are also gaining prominence, providing companionship, assistance with daily activities, and remote monitoring for independent living. Autonomous vehicles and drones. One of the most visible applications of AI in robotics is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars, enabled by AI algorithms, have the potential to revolutionize transportation systems. These vehicles can perceive their surroundings, analyze traffic patterns, and navigate autonomously, potentially reducing accidents and traffic congestion. Delivery drones powered by AI are being tested for package delivery, transforming logistics and last-mile delivery services. However, the widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles and drones raises ethical and regulatory challenges, such as ensuring safety, addressing liability issues, and managing public acceptance. AI and robotics in space exploration. The combination of AI and robotics has significantly impacted space exploration. Robotic rovers, such as NASA's Mars rovers, are equipped with AI capabilities that allow them to explore the surface of other planets, collect samples, and send valuable data back to Earth. These rovers employ AI algorithms for autonomous navigation, hazard detection, and sample analysis. Robots are also being developed for space missions, including repairing satellites, mining resources on asteroids, and preparing for future human colonization of other planets. AI aids in analyzing vast amounts of astronomical data, allowing scientists to make new discoveries, identify celestial objects, and gain insights into the mysteries of the universe. Social and ethical implications of AI and robotics. The rapid advancement of AI and robotics brings forth social and ethical implications that need to be addressed. One concern is the potential displacement of jobs as machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans. While some jobs may be replaced, new opportunities are also created in the development and maintenance of AI and robotics systems. Additionally, ethical considerations arise, including bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and the responsibility of developers and policymakers to ensure the ethical and responsible use of AI and robotics. Human-robot interaction is another crucial aspect to consider, as robots need to be designed to effectively communicate and collaborate with humans, instilling trust and facilitating seamless integration into society. Future developments and challenges. The future of AI and robotics holds tremendous potential and exciting possibilities. The emergence of artificial general intelligence, AGI, where machines possess human-level intelligence across various domains, is a tantalizing prospect. Bio-inspired robotics draws inspiration from nature, aiming to create robots that mimic the capabilities of living organisms. Brain-computer interfaces, which facilitate direct communication between the brain and machines, offer exciting opportunities for enhancing human capabilities and enabling new forms of interaction with robots. However, alongside these developments, regulatory frameworks must be established to address safety, ethical, and legal concerns surrounding AI and robotics. Collaboration between academia, industry, and policymakers is vital to navigate the challenges and unlock the full potential of AI and robotics for the benefit of humanity. Conclusion: AI and robotics have come a long way, revolutionizing the way we interact with machines. From industrial robots optimizing manufacturing processes to domestic robots assisting with everyday tasks, the applications of AI and robotics are vast and diverse. Autonomous vehicles and drones have the potential to transform transportation systems and logistics. In space exploration, robots equipped with AI capabilities have expanded our understanding of the universe. However, as these technologies continue to advance, it is essential to address the social, ethical, and regulatory implications. By embracing AI and robotics responsibly, we can harness their full potential, improving productivity, enhancing our lives, and creating a better future for all. Thanks for watching.